how eerie that looks. I'm not a witch. So it's time to change up the hair again. The blue, which you've seen, lasted me until I washed it. So as soon as it got wet, the blue came out. But today, we are going green. And I actually got double the amount as I used last time because I diluted it last time. So we had 100 ml of blue food colouring and then put 100 ml of water in. But this time we're just going to use 200 ml of green food colouring. But I'm a bit nervous because this one looks green here. But this one is yellow. So I'm a bit nervous about that. They're all from Asda, just Asda's own natural food colouring. So let's get hopping. So I'm just a pro by now. I've set up everything. I've got towels on the floor. I've got this top again, which we're now gonna add green bits to it. I have prepped my hair this time. So before it was had a greasy residue. I thought that's gonna be inevitable, but I got my hair in really good condition beforehand. I took my hair vitamins. I had coconut oil in my hair. I slept with it in a braid. And it looks like normal hair. My hair hasn't been like this in months. See, whereas last time I just dipped it in, I think I'm going to brush it all through first and then dip the remaining bits. This is such a good idea for Halloween for kids. Because literally you can just wash it out at the end of the night. And it doesn't it's not harmful to the hair. It's so cheap. I think I spent about £5 for 4 bottles of it as well. Because even if you've got dark hair, it will still give that tint to it, which is really cool. And it's just such a fun thing for kids to do. I just realised the colour hair I had before I was blue was pink, and in my blue video I put a pink towel on, and obviously now the colour I had before it was green was blue, and now I've got a blue towel on. How cool is that? So not diluting the food colouring with water made such a big difference because this is now stained green, whereas the blue just washed out of everything when it was diluted, and it was so much easier to dry because obviously it was water. But this is hard to dry. I'm trying to. This is after I trying to blow dry it. And I've just brushed it out, but there's not too much residue left. But you just wait. I went with the towel turban because it was dripping. And yeah, so much more difficult with double the solution and no dilution. I'm hoping it's going to be worth it in the end. I'm honestly so confused right now. I cleaned all of the things that got green in the process, and so this is a top that I've now made, my tie-dye top. Because in my blue video I said I wanted to make the top tie-dye with the food colour, and it's worked. And FYI, it is starting to come out of the towel as well. So you can get it out. So it's still not dry. So I've changed the towel turban cleaned up all up my neck and my face, put my PJs on, and this is how I'm going to sleep. It's a lot drier, but it's just not dry yet. So in the morning, hopefully it should be dry, and then I can do some shoots and then just get it out of my hair. This is my hair now. I've got my mermaid makeup on because we're doing mermaid photo shoot with our new green screen. And it's so vibrant, like it almost looks like neon-y. But yeah, you can see it's still, it looks like it's just fried and really dry, but it's not. It's actually like sticky. Like it's got like, it's got like a paste or like an oil over my hair, so it's not ruining my hair. But yeah, it's really cool for photo shoots for Halloween. So I'll show you my other shoots, how it looks in them, because I'm also doing a Joker one, which is cool, and also a witchy one for Halloween as well. So, but yeah, this is, I'm quite happy with it. It's very, very bright. So it's the next day. I didn't show the other shoots because I want there to be a little bit of a surprise on my Insta, but I washed it out with just shampoo, conditioner, and then I used a hair mask. And I don't think you can see it on camera, but it's like bright yellow. Like there's definitely the yellow residue left, which I think will just come out in a few washes anyways. But oh, I'm so sad that you can't see how yellow it is. It just looks like blonde without toner. But yeah, this bit's fine, and then it gets like more greeny yellowy towards the end. But I thought green was really fun. That was definitely a lot more fun than the blue, a lot brighter than the blue. It did have like a sticky residue, but like I said, if you're doing it for Halloween or a photo shoot, or just cause, like me, like cause I'm never going to be blonde again, like it might as well. But I might add some like blue or green food colouring in into like my shampoo or conditioner when I go brown, just have like that little tinge, because I think like brown tinge on green tinge on brown hair for Halloween would look really cool, and then like a blue tinge will just make it look really dark and like smooth. But yeah, fun. On camera it looks really dry, but it's the complete opposite. Like when if I put a toner in my hair and then wash it out, like it feels horrible, but when I washed the green food colouring out, like it just felt really smooth and silky. So it's really not bad for your hair. If anything, it was like a hair mask for me. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you try it. If you do, then let me know how you get on. Bye.